We live next door to a civilization that outnumbers humanity by 3 million times. Our civilization is 100,000 years old. Theirs is 100 million years old. We constantly interact with it. We depend on it. We would certainly die without it. But this civilization seems to be completely unaware of our existence. And it's not some kind of bacteria. These beings have created their own society. They have a clear hierarchy, professions, and career ladders. They teach the young, care for their children, and make collective decisions.